Hey everyone, Maria back with another Tech Tuesday video. Today we're going to be going over the World Geography and Culture Online database. This is a really great database that for kids to use, especially when they're doing things about like the state. So doing state history, fun facts about where you live, or they go through the alphabet and everybody gets assigned a state. That used to be one of the projects that I remember the kids coming in through youth services having to do. So this is definitely one of those databases that will help you get the information and actually learn a couple of different fun facts about the states that your kids are assigned to. So let me click off on my little video here. So as always, we're going to start off with the mapld.org website. It's the library's website. So go here and we're going to go to Research and Learning, A to Z list. And we're going to scroll all the way down to World Geography and Culture Online. You are going to need your library card number, but not the PIN associated with it. Just want to make sure you have a library card with Matson. So once you click on it, I already signed in. So the page before this one will actually just ask you for your library card. Just type that in and this is what you should see here. So basically it's very easy to use. You can select the country from here. All the countries are listed. You can also select the state within the United States. You can go through the gazetteer area where it shows the different types of like landforms and things like that, water features, different types of boundaries and administrative regions. You can go through resources, which just shows you different maps and flags, images and videos. But the home area is probably going to be the area where you would use most likely before just the state information and things like that. What I like about it is that it does show all the countries in the world. It just shows information about geography, the history, even like audio recordings, images, all the way up to even some news that's going on in those particular areas too. So let's just go in and click on our state, Illinois, and you can see the information it has here. So it doesn't look like it's out of date at all. It looks like it's been updated. See, we have new governor, things like that. So here's where you usually need the maps and flags. So different types of flags, different types of maps, and they'll even show you different types of maps based on time periods. They have state symbols. You can actually save these too. Facts and figures. These are just a couple of little quick facts about what's most recent. Images and videos from around the city, Fountain, area view Chicago, especially when you have drones down. These area views are really nice to look at. What I also like is the points of interest. So if you're looking for something that's unique to the state of Illinois, this would be a good area to look at. If you're looking for a particular famous person, and you don't want to, maybe your teacher says, don't pick the obvious people, don't pick our governor. So you want to go back in time a little bit and try to pick somebody that maybe people didn't know a lot about. If you click on one, so let's just go with Bobby Fischer, one of the greatest chess players of all time. So you can definitely click on one of those. See, he was born in Chicago, raised in New York. So this gives you a little bit of insight on who he is, but you can actually, get a starting point to go into another database or, do a Google Scholar search on this person and already kind of have an idea what you're looking for and where you want to go with that. So we can go back. And then it does have weather and climate. It does have the history overview. So it goes from settlements, back early exploration, all the way up to 21st century, even with our current governor and everything that's happened in between. So that's also really nice. Kind of gives you at least, like I said, at least a point of where you want to go as far as direction in your research. Gives you a nice timeline. So you can definitely, this is probably going to be the same thing for everything for your story nomad in from the area. And it'll also change, based on where you're looking at. But as you can see, it definitely gives you a lot of different types of little key points in history for the state, government, economy, and education. So I really like this website because instead of you having a Google search and go through a lot of different things, this actually just kind of sums up everything really easily in one place. So if you're looking for historical people, if you're looking for cool facts. If you're looking for, like, Farmer's Almanac, and you're looking for, the weather that happened in Illinois in '85 or something. This is a great website to go to first, because it'll give you everything kind of put together for each state or each country that you're looking at. So it kind of helps you limit your Google searching and things like that. So I hope this one's actually very easy to use. I hope you guys use it. If you have any questions, feel free to give the library a call or email us at mtslib@mapld.org, or leave a comment under this video. We're definitely here to help you. And if you have any questions about this database or any database that's on our A to Z list, don't hesitate to ask. But until then, I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.